Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock overview videos. Today we'll talk about using website lists, but Unlock is limited to just one website or e-com store, and website performance reports. So let's proceed to your Unlock account. Go to the websites. You will see your website in here. Now what you need to do is if you update costs manually, switch all this button, click apply, and you'll start seeing website performance. If you want to see some other data points, make sure that you go to columns and update it to the view you like. As usual, we will remove your content. This way to add, and you can of course add some other columns. Click save and apply, and then because it's already built up on the concepts, let's jump straight into reports for your website. So you either click this button and reports, you click this button and reports. We won't cover conversion reports for now, just regular traffic reports. Go into reports, and in here the best usage of this tool is to do cross-campaign in-depth reports. So basically, first selection you need to choose is the period, then grouping campaign, then you want to do RT campaign, which will give you human readable campaign names across all your ad networks, and then for example ad sets, and then ads. And if you go even all the way to placements, and of course you can use all the other properties you may want to use. So click apply, refresh. If you do manual cost updates for ad spend, remove this toggle, click apply, refresh, and then you can see, okay, those are your high-level results for your campaigns: ads, Facebook, TikTok, referrals, attributed traffic. And then you can jump into details to see specific ads or ad sets working. Again, this is the sandbox environment, so some of the values are not populated, but in real life it will be quite meaningful, and you can see all your campaigns across all your channels with drill downs in one place, similar to acquisition dashboard, but instead of just switching between particular items or channels, you can see them all at once. So this was RedTrack overview videos. We talked about how to use website list and website traffic reports to get in-depth view into cross-campaign performance of all the ad networks that bring traffic and sales to your website. Thank you. Enjoy using RedTrack.